afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question number 37. And to this question, the instruction says choose from the options letter A to E, the one that is nearest in meaning to the word in italics. And then this instruction is to answer question 31 to 40, and the word in italics is renounced, and the statement, and remember that we are talking of synonym in this place, and the statement said the student renounced his membership of the group. The student renounced his membership of the group. A, continued. B, kept. C, maintained. D, retained. E, withdraw. And when we talk of renounced is synonymous to give up. Give up is the same as resigned. There is also similar to surrender, and we have continue. Continue cannot be the synonyms to renounce, because continue means flowing. Then kept means preserved. Then maintained means obeyed. Then retained means continued. Then withdraw means surrender or give up. So it means that when you renounce, you withdraw. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.